Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 9th. Dear students, in the last video we discussed one of the important questions from NCERT textbook. First question: how is our atmosphere different from the atmosphere of Venus and Earth? We have discussed it in the previous video. Today we will discuss how does the atmosphere act as a blanket. Dear students, as you know that atmosphere is the gaseous envelope around us. The air around us consists of different gases like oxygen 21%, nitrogen 78%, oxygen 0.03%, and other trace gases. So dear students, this atmosphere it extends up to 200 kilometers from the surface of Earth, and this atmosphere is divided into many layers. One is mesosphere, first is troposphere, then is mesosphere, then it is stratosphere and ionosphere. So far as the third sphere of the atmosphere is concerned, that is the stratosphere. In the stratosphere layer, there is the ozone gas. Ozone gas is triatomic molecule of oxygen, that is O3. It is formed in the stratosphere and forms a layer. This stratosphere, this ozone layer, it absorbs the ultraviolet radiations that are emitted from the sun. So as you know, the ultraviolet radiations are very harmful for the living organisms usually on the surface of Earth. For example, if the ultraviolet radiations reaches on the surface of Earth, the ultraviolet radiations may cause gene mutation, it may cause skin cancer in plants, it may cause skin cancer in animals. So we can say that these ultraviolet radiations are harmful to the living organisms. So the nature has produced the ozone layer. In the stratosphere layer, this ozone layer traps the atmosphere, traps the ultraviolet radiation and protects the living organisms that are living on the surface of Earth. So we can say that this atmosphere it acts as a blanket because it absorbs these harmful radiations of the sun. If these harmful radiations reach on the Earth, they are harmful to the living organisms, both plants as well as animals. So we can say that this atmosphere acts as a blanket. Secondly, it maintains the average temperature of Earth fairly steady. So second one is ozone shield of atmosphere absorbs ultraviolet radiations coming from the sun, thereby protecting the living organisms from their harmful effects. High concentration of ozone is found in 12 to 26 kilometers above the surface of Earth. But dear students, the modern man has made some holes in it due to the release of some of the chemical substances like chlorofluorocarbon, which are emitted from the refrigerators, from the freezers, coolers. These chlorofluorocarbons makes a hindrance in making the ozone, and hence day by day there is a thinning of ozone layer, which we call as the ozone depletion. So dear students, let us study another question: how winds are caused, in another video. Stay connected.